Still talking about so many different elements to yesterday's tornado, which we've now confirmed was an EF1. Today, starting off mild, but we have that threat again for thunderstorms.
We do have the threat for some strong thunderstorms today. And like yesterday, we didn't even have a warning with that tornado. So it's important to take the whole situation seriously whenever we're under that slight risk. If we're in a watch, as we were yesterday, any thunderstorm that's getting strong is going to have the potential to do some significant damage, as we saw. Today, we start off nice and quiet. And much like yesterday, most of the day is going to actually be rather nice. 67 currently. We've got partly cloudy skies. At lunchtime, we'll be up to 77. Still looking at a little sunshine then. Southwest wind today 10 to 20. We had that around yesterday. It does get a little breezy at times. And then as we get into those later afternoon and evening hours, that is when the rain chance will be going up. First across the far northwest counties after 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. It spreads south, so into the Dayton area 5, 6 o'clock. We get back into the low 80s though, and we'll still have those thunderstorms around during the evening as we drop back into the upper 70s. We do have that slight risk for all of the Miami Valley today as a cold front will be dropping in with the daytime heating. Again, we could spark those stronger storms, and today we actually bump up our hail threat a little bit. So a moderate hail threat, wind threat, again a low end tornado threat, but as we saw yesterday, an isolated tornado would be possible. Flooding threat also up at the moderate level. We had some very heavy rainfall yesterday. That'll be the case again today. Some torrential downpours will be possible. On our satellite radar loop, you can see the clouds moving through the Miami Valley, but some clearing to the west. So we do expect to see some sun today. And when the sun is out, it'll be strong. You see a complex of thunderstorms back in Missouri and some showers extending up into Illinois. This is ahead of a cold front, which will be moving into the Miami Valley late today. It's 67 degrees, south-southwest wind at 9. Notice our dew point is up, 65. It is still a muggy morning out there. As we saw yesterday, humid conditions. 64 in Greenville, Piqua, Urbana. You're starting off at 66. And North Lewisburg, 65 degrees. There's the front to the northwest. Ahead of it, we'll stick with the southerly flow. So once again, we expect our temperatures to be above normal and the humidity to be pretty high. And the air mass hasn't changed too much since yesterday, so we're still talking about that high pollen. It's tree pollen, a moderate grass count at 19, and the mold count is at a moderate level as well. Here's future track with the dry conditions 9 o'clock through noon, and then we get beyond 2 or 3 o'clock. We'll start to see the rain chance first across the northern counties. We'll pause it here at 5 o'clock this afternoon. You could start to see some development a bit further to the south, and this will continue through the evening and first part of the overnight. Then we'll see the showers, thunderstorms end after midnight. So by tomorrow morning's commute, 7 a.m., we're back to dry weather. We will stay dry through lunchtime tomorrow. See a good deal of sunshine. In fact, most of even the afternoon hours on Thursday looking fairly quiet. 83 the high today, a partly sunny, breezy day with those afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms firing up, some of which could be strong. Tonight, shower thunderstorm early on, then will dry out as we become partly cloudy, dropping to 63. Another warm day tomorrow behind this front, but it's going to be a little less humid. So that's the relief we'll see as the front passes through. A high of 85. Your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast back in the mid 80s Friday. We're running about 10 degrees above normal here. Slight chance of something developing in the afternoon Friday, but not everyone sees that. A better chance of an area-wide rain happening Saturday with another front dropping in. That one will bring in a push of cooler weather for Sunday and Monday. Highs will only be in the 70s.